right, Katie, show us how bad the seat position is for you. Your feet don't touch, and you can't touch the pedals. Well, you don't have to worry about you speeding if you can't press the gas pedal more than 1/4 of an inch.
It's true, but I think...
All right, so those seat brackets that I paid good money for are not going to work. I need to rip them out and lower that seat like 3 inches or more. I got to measure that. Okay, we're at that point where we got to get Katie so she can actually sit in this thing and touch the pedals, and it'd be nice if she could touch the floor. I sat her in here, we did some measurements, and her heels are like 3 inches off the floor. She can only touch the pedals with her tippy toes with the seat all the way forward. So this nice CJ7 mount that I bought that has the thing where you move the seats forward and everything. So a nice one, fit perfect like it was supposed to, but that's gone. The thought of trying to shorten that and still have the mechanism working, it's just not worth my aggravation. So we're just going to build some static ones on this side. Passenger one still has that same mechanism, so if she ever does put a back seat in it, people can just get in from the passenger side. Simple as that. It's more important that she can touch the pedals than people can gain access to the back seat easy. Anyway, we're going to build up some new brackets, just like I said, some static stuff. I got some old flat bar sitting here, that 1.5 inch maybe, pretty thick stuff, and then we'll reinforce it. But I figure what I'm going to do is just do some bends, get a bit of an angle, and then make a pedestal on the back and bend this up. And you can see it's already got a natural bend in it, so I'll probably have to straighten out that. So what I did before I pulled that out was I marked on the floor here where the old seat would have lined up. It's 14 inches across, so that's my hard measurement. I can't mess with that. Anyway, first step is to get this up and level. So we're going to start with the inside one because that's the more complicated one. It has a big riser right here. So it's going to be a lot of calculating maths and such. Or you just go to town and make it work. I like my idea better. Let's just make it work. Alright, let's put a bend in there. Now this one needs to be shorter than the other side because the floor is raised. It's got to be about 1.5 inches. Well, I got that mocked up now, bolted on just so I can see what's going on. And you can see how different they are. The inner one is a lot lower just because of the way that floor kicks up there versus this side where it's reasonably flat. Up there, doesn't look too bad, a lot lower. You can see, looking at that passenger seat, how much lower this is. I test fit it, but as soon as I put my weight on, it's probably going to move. Oh, you know, I actually like that. That's pretty darn good. Laying it back too far, but. Oh yeah. Wheels at a good height even for me. Yeah, I think that's better now than it ever was. Time to get Caitlin out here and test fit her. Alright kiddo, show me how your feet work now. You got your heels on the ground, that's a miracle. You can reach the gas pedal and the brake. Not too bad. Alright, so we're a bit lower and it works. Happy?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, now you can leave. She says with a grin, thankfully. Okay folks, well we got these bolted loosely in place here. Katie's test fitted it, so she's happy with where it is. She can reach the pedals. The only thing left to do is to connect the two. So I cut out these pieces here, same metal. And We're gonna lost them in there, connect everything up. I'm just gonna tack them because I don't want to set the seats on fire. Alright, well there's our tacks. Now I can take it off. I didn't set the seats on fire, so lots of wind. That ain't going anywhere. Okay, just about got them all tightened down now. I'd say it's solid. Oh, this because the kid's got short legs. Well, she's short, generally. So that's all the way forward, and you can see it's definitely forward. Back here's about where I'd be driving it. Yeah, I think it's a little low for me, but I can drive it. It's not bad. I like my wheel down a bit, but no tilt here. We need the shifter, brake, gas. If I had clutch, it'd be actually way more comfortable than what it was. I could probably drive this no problem with a clutch. Park brake, tire beam, everything's. This should be perfect for her. Anyways, there's the seat bouncer. Go, safety first. Who's got a seatbelt that works?